Hello everyone, this is the InStyle Knitting Studio. Today, we will learn how to make these tiny pom-poms. Very quickly and very easily. I used yarn of different thicknesses, so mine turned out to be a bit unusual and unattractive. However, if you use yarn of the same thickness or one type for a pom-pom, it will be fluffy and very beautiful. It's all very simple to do. Here I made one for a hat, and now I need to make a second pom-pom. Now, I will show you how it's done using the second pom-pom as an example. Everything is quick, without any tools for making pom-poms, just using your hands. So, we take the yarn. It's better to use yarn of the same thickness. Here I have a thinner white thread, 4 strands. The orange one is thicker, 2 strands. It's still better if the yarns are of equal thickness. We position it on the left hand like this. We press the thread with the thumb of the left hand, pinching the fingers slightly apart and starting to wind the yarn around 3 fingers of the left hand. At this point, I want to note, if you need a slightly smaller pom-pom, you can keep your fingers together while winding. If you want a slightly larger pom-pom, you can spread your fingers and wind it. I need a slightly bigger pom-pom, so I will do it this way. In principle, making very small pom-poms on a fork is also convenient. Using an ordinary table fork, I think there are many videos on the internet, and you can check them out. But for me, it's easier and faster to use my hands. Thus, we start winding around 20 turns. Let's say that's already enough. Yes, after this we do not cut the yarn. We need to carefully remove that third finger. And leave everything on the 2 fingers like this. This is the beginning of our thread. After that, we leave the thread here at the desired length. It's better to leave it a bit longer. We trim it so the yarn doesn't get in the way. Here's our thread, yes. Now we need to tie it all together right here in the middle. How do we make this end? I have a rather large piece left. It needs to be cut so it doesn't interfere. What actions do we take here? This thread is held here by the thumb of my left hand. And we need to pull it through, say, that way between the fingers. The thread has passed in here. It has come out here. And we need to do it all like this. Fix it. Make a sort of bow. In general, we send the thread back in again. We sent it. Now let's slightly raise everything here. And we grab this thread. That is, we make a sort of knot, we pinch it. Next, we send the thread back in again. Overall, we need to secure this very well. So nothing unravels again, we take it here. And let the thread through. A lot of turns here are not really desired, because the middle will be visible. Then, when we make the pom-pom, I've made 2 of these knots and tightened them. After that, what do? I carefully take off our almost pom-pom from my fingers. This is what the bow looks like after. Then, I will separate these threads and go like this towards each other and make a few more knots. Now in the opposite direction. So, I made 3 knots. In principle, 2 would probably be enough. That's it, nothing is going anywhere now. Right here, we just need to cut. We need to cut this end of the thread with scissors like this. Basically, if you need to attach the pom-pom somewhere and need some thread, then there's no need to cut. In my case, I will cut these threads. Because I don't need this long thread, now we simply cut with the scissors. We simply pull all the threads tight. We cut everything. We cut all these loops. And on the back side, we also check to make sure we don't miss anything here. That's it, our pom-pom is ready. This is a very, let's say, home method probably. Professional, but I think it's very convenient and quick. What is left here? We need to trim all our ends. So here, something is long, probably stretched out. Go around with the scissors like this. Then we made the pom-pom like this. We pinched it on the back side. And now we went around here. This is how pom-poms are made. Very easy. Simple, quick, and without any tools. I think you will like this method and it will come in handy somewhere. That is, to quickly make pom-poms without hassle. I made them for this hat. I said, I ended up with 2 pom-poms. By the way, a masterclass for this hat will be coming soon on the channel, that's all. Thank you, friends, for watching. Subscribe so you don't miss anything new. And see you in new classes, bye bye.